Hey guys, welcome to my channel Ini Mini Kids TV. So today we are drawing a princess dress. Yes. So for starting this, we can start with making a heart as you have seen, and I am using a black marker because it will give a good finish. But if you want to draw with me, you can always use pencil. I recommend you to use pencil first, not always use sketch pen directly or pen directly. As we all know that princess dresses are very flary, they are very colorful, and we like it so much. I love princess dresses especially. So here I am drawing some flowers, some stars to give a very good girlish and sweet look. Now I don't want my background to look very simple, so I am drawing a flower. It looks like that flowers are coming down from above to my princess girl. If you want, you can draw stars also, or you can draw flowers, you can draw hearts also. Whatever you want to draw, you can draw in the background. This is just to give it a very good finish, like a starry magical finish. So you can do that also if you want to. If you want, we can also increase the flare of the dress. So right now I am using a red color. So if you can see, I am using a red sketch pen. If you want these kind of sketch pens, it is of stick color. You can search it online very easily, or you can use any regular sketch pen. So right now I am using a red color. I would be using two colors for the dress. So I am almost done with the red color. After this I will be using pink color. You can do the belt with red color or pink color, whichever you want, or you can draw the colors, the flowers also with the red color, but I don't want to do that. So I am using a pink color. This is not a light pink. You can use light pink also if you want, but I am using a dark pink. Because of some lighting issues, it is looking almost like a red, but this is not red, as I can tell you very clearly. Or you can use the other color also for the combination, whichever you want. It's not hard and fast that you have to do this color. So with red I am pairing it up with yellow. So it looks like the topper part of the dress is yellow color. And then I am going to color the flowers with green. And the stars which I have drawn in the dress is also of green color. Now for the background, you can color the flowers with whichever color you want. You can use the multiple colors also. Right now I am using a violet or purple color for the flowers, and the second color I would be using is light blue. You can use whichever color you want. So I really like this dress. It's so good, and the flowers and all that. I really hope you like my video. You can also DM me on my Insta if you want to learn how to make these kind of simple drawings. And now I am just outlining it this with marker. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to connect with me, you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is given in my info. Thank you.